Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala mang tingkah do lai spa lai pupra klur na kabenta ka Sor Tura bat nyop khandai klur na kabenta ka Sor Jowai ha ka Smart Town Project. Haba jubab ha ka kenta kali jingkali ha ka singi balai ka dorbar mang tingkah jongi dorbar thawan ka jilla ha ka arphau tarik rempang arjar psau bala kali do nong thawan ka Congress nong stony uba Gabriel Waklang na kalyang menteri rang ba ka jilla u konrad ki sangma ulaong. Bagi don bon lagi project ban pen internet yakini ki jaka Sor Arteli. Nakaliang uba Gabriel Waklang ula dawa baka Sorkar jela kadiban kentop lang ya ka nongstan ha ka Smart Town Project ya ka bau menteri rang ba uloong baka Sorkar lay ka kwa ban panhap ya Baroki District Headquarter watla kampat don pat ka jingpen krea ka patikna.
Speaker sir, reply to star question 33A. So the names of the smart towns in Meghalaya are number 1 Tura town, number 2 Jowai town. B. So the total amount that has been sanctioned are Tura town 338.152 crores, Jowai town 79.8 crores. Number C, sir, is as per statement placed in the table of the House.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the reply from the Chief Minister is very pleased, and by selections of the smart town, we see that so many projects and facilities can be given to any town. So may I ask the government, is there any plan of the government to increase the number of smart towns?
So we would obviously desire to see that all the headquarters of the districts are taken up, but of course it will be done in a phase-wise manner. But immediately we don't have any immediate plans to take up any particular town as such, but definitely, sir, it's in our agenda at large to see that all our towns and especially the district headquarters come under this kind of a program.
Mr. Speaker, may I know from the Chief Minister, to get in the smart town, what are the criteria for selections of a smart town?
So there is no specific criteria as such. It was started basically with the concept that different programs and schemes are taking place in different departments. And therefore a smart town thought process and a concept would at least align the work of different departments and make things more efficient. So if you will see the list of the projects that are taken up, these are projects that were happening in different departments, and we only augmented them. We combined them, we tried to work out in a much smarter way so that we would get far more benefit for the towns. So that is the basic concept of it, and there is no specific criteria. As I said, we have decided that when Shillong Smart City project is going on, at least the two other regional headquarters of Kyrwoh Hills and of Jente Hills should also be included, and that's how we started with that concept. But as we move along, we will examine the possibility, as I said, of expanding it further, and if necessary, we will create criteria also.
Thank you. Mr. Speaker, sir, and to Honorable Chief Minister, Longstoin has been a districthood right since 1976. It's one of the oldest districts. I would urge and request to include Longstoin as a smart town. Since all the I have seen in the list of the projects, these are the projects that convert from a village into a town with a lot of facilities and a lot of developmental activities. Indeed, this will promote and also ensure the best facilities of any town. So I would request and urge the Chief Minister to kindly include Longstoin in near future as a smart town.
I have noted the point of the Honourable Member.
Yes, Sir, I would like to thank the Honourable Chief Minister, sir, for the reply, and also, sir, for taking up the very good project of including the Jowai in the Smart Town project. And we have seen, sir, that almost all of the road in Jowai has been constructed, sir. But just one point, sir, the footpath which was just in front of Kyrwoh Government College, it has been constructed only for maybe a few meters, 20 to 30 meters. Whether that is a part of smart city project, sir?
So that smart town, I think he's presuming.
Yes, smart town.
Sir, I don't have the micro details of every footpath that has been made. But definitely, sir, there's a concern. I have noted it down, sir. And whether it is there or not, we will ensure that whatever has to be done to complete it should be completed. And if there is any work pending, sir, I will look into it personally.
Sir, that's why it is this point, sir, because a footpath for a few meters, it has been constructed very beautifully, sir. So I want that the same type of construction should be done to all the footpath in Jowai, sir. That will look nicer over time.
So I have noted the point and concern of the Honourable Member, sir.